Hello guys, Jackery came up with a new solar panel this spring. I just bought one, so let's see how it performs. This is very special. It can harvest the sun from both sides, both front and the rear. This bag, which you can open with two zippers, has a reflective foil on front and the back. The reflective foil is reflecting the sun, which goes through past the panel and then to the back side of the panel. We'll take a look at that when I take it outside. The panel itself looks like this on the back side. It has this nice foot which it stands on. This foot is locked in this maximum position, or you can change the position to what angle the sun is. Came with the Jackery cable with this little plug. Yeah. In this pocket there is included a cable which I already have modified, because you get it with the standard Jackery plugs for the Jackery power stations. I need this for my solar panel on the car, so I changed it to these plugs, which I don't remember the name of. I have now connected the Jackery solar panel to the van. On my car I have made a small lid with separate input for the solar, and I also have input for 230 volt. And the solar plug I got from AliExpress looks like this, and this is the one that is connected to the cable. Let's see if we manage to film this when I still hold it. Let's see. Okay, here we go. One hand flipping up the dust cap and plugging this one in, and it should be a click, click, and then locking it up with this one. Click. Nice, eh? Just cap on. And now we're going to read out from the Victron app to see how much amperage it's. Inside the car I have the solar regulator inside this cupboard, and it is inside here. This is a Victron. Very nice unit. Can really recommend that one. 75 watt on the maximum here, so it looks like it. This is an MPPT regulator from Victron, and we can see it's 5.5 amps on the most. It changes very much. Even the sun is. Is it possible to see the sun? I don't know. Yeah. But what we like to see is the, okay, 75 watts, 5.5 amps down here. That is amazing. This is from the panel, and then the MPPT. Yeah. Let's see how the panel performs when I close the back side. I will monitor it on my telephone. No, there is nothing on the back side. And it went down to 67 watts. 67 watts. Okay, let's open the back side again. And now it's 75 watts. Ooh, that was really good. 70 watts, 5 amps. 75 watts, 5.5 amp. That is excellent. It's working. And what is happening if you turn it around? Let's see. Remove this one. Close the front. Now I have closed the front. And there are some shadows here and there, so it's not ideal. But still close to 50 watts. 3.5 amps. Amazing. Amazing. This is really working. And turn it back on. Back on. 77 watt. Close to 6 amps. 5.6 amps. 78 watts. 77. Amazing liquid. Yes, that amazes me really. Okay, so there we have it. This Jackery panel, which is promised to be 80 watts, deliver easily 77 or 78 as the most that I can see. And that is here up in Norway. The panel is very hot. I will guess around close to 50 degrees. 45 on the back side as well. Oh, it's hotter on the back side. Yeah. This one you can touch, but this one, this side, not so good. Oh yes, this is hot.